Hey everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of the day. I am Alice Dipani, a psychology PhD student at Georgia Tech, funded by the Center of Excellence in Computational Cognition as a COCO Fellow. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at normalization. One of the problems in generalization is that the context in which you learn and the context in which you're tested on can shift a lot. This can lead to challenges in representing information as well as challenges in computing useful learning signals. To solve this, the brain employs a computation called normalization, which is also known to help the learning problem in AI. So, what is normalization? At its core, the normalization is a computation in which you can take a vector x and divide it by some function of its magnitude. A simple Google Scholar search of normalization in neuroscience and AI reveals that there are thousands of papers using and investigating normalization. So, why is this simple operation so pervasive in both these fields? Let's look at some of the reasons. In AI, normalization helps with stabilizing training. That is, you could train larger models faster. And normalization also improves generalization. In neuroscience, normalization keeps signals within a limited dynamic range, helping you achieve efficient coding. Normalization also creates invariance to stimulus dimensions and can help you avoid noisy signals. So, in this tutorial, let's do a deep dive into normalization. In section 1, we'll see can we replace normalization? And in section 2, we'll take an example to see how normalization helps in generalization. So, in section 1, let's look at the implementation for normalization. We'll take normalization as a 1 by x type of function. And we'll ask the question, do we need a dedicated computation for normalization? Or can a generic neural network easily estimate the function y equal to 1 by x plus epsilon? For this, we'll first generate the training and the testing data. Next, we'll use it to train a simple neural network with 100 hidden units. In this network, we'll first have the input x, which we'll subtract from the learned threshold theta I. We'll apply the Renu nonlinearity and multiply it by a learned slope wi. And the summation of this will be our output. So in coding exercise 1, let's implement this architecture.